What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today in front of us we have the Breville Barista Touch Impress, and this machine is impressive to say the least. So we're going to walk you through in this video how to pull a shot of espresso, dialing it in perfectly, and how the machine really just guides you through the process to make it super easy and a great user experience. And at the end, we're going to show you how great the machine actually froths milk, pretty much hands-free, and how you're going to really enjoy that cafe-like quality in the comfort of your own home. So here you're just going to go ahead and choose the option that best suits your needs. And we're going to do a shot of espresso here. And as you see, it really shows you on the display and just guides you through what exactly to do to pull that perfect shot of espresso. So we're going to go ahead and press this button and go ahead and start grinding the coffee. So as you can see in the display, it's going to show that it's currently grinding, and then something really cool is going to happen. Now that the grinding process is done, it's going to guide you to go ahead and press that lever down to tamp your coffee. And the cool thing about this, it actually has a sensor built in to where it's showing that you need a little bit more coffee in the portafilter to fill it. So when you press this button, it doses the right amount of coffee into your portafilter and allows you to tamp again. Once you tamp, now you see that green bar, and this is the perfect tamped pressure and perfect grind amount inside your portafilter, and as you can see, it does a really good job. And now it's gonna tell you to go ahead and put your portafilter in and pull your shot. It's super easy. I always put my scale down just so I can see the output. As you can see with the shot is extremely fine, extremely over extracted. However, the machine is going to realize this, and it is going to guide you through exactly what to do in order to pull a better shot. So as you see, as a shot nears and ends, it says brewing was too slow, consider increasing your grind size. So as you can see, within that 40-something seconds, we got only about 11 grams. So we're going to go over this knob over here, and this is actually going to change your grind size, which is going to be displayed on your screen. So we went from grind setting 9 to 12. One thing that I like to do that I'm showcasing here is every time I change grind size, I do like to purge a little bit of the grinds out of the grinder, just so that when we do start fresh with our new grind size, that you are making sure that that grind size is your entire dose, as opposed to the first 2 to potentially 3 or 4 grams, being that grind size from 9 to 12, which is going to be inconsistent if you pull that shot again. Now we are pulling our second shot, and as you can see, the shot is still way too slow and the grind is still way too fine. It's barely dripping out at this point, and again, the LCD screen is going to prompt you that it was too slow and consider increasing your grind size. So I went ahead and increased it all the way up to 18, just to show you how fast the shot is going to pull now, because we made such a big adjustment. And I wanted to show you exactly how the machine was going to react to how fast the shot was, and it's going to really prompt you in the right direction to now change your grind setting to a finer setting because your shot was way too fast. Now we change our grind setting to 15 and the shot is running absolutely perfect. It tasted absolutely amazing, and as you see, it just shows that check mark when finishing, and it was perfect. So now what we have to do is we're going to actually come over here and scroll through the options and click milk only. Now all you're going to have to do is fill your pitcher with milk. I like to fill the pitcher with milk just below the spout, so that way when you're aerating and then incorporating all of that microfoam, that you actually don't overflow your pitcher. And then once again, the machine will prompt you on exactly what to do. So we're going to go ahead and put the cup in here. You're going to want to make sure that it is on that temperature probe so the machine can do its thing. Then you press a button, the machine aerates it automatically, and once it finishes aerating, it actually will start incorporating all of that milk by creating a vortex as shown here in the video. The machine truly is an all-in-one machine, and I have loved using it. It is a non-burn steam arm. It actually will purge the wand as soon as you place it back down, making sure that it stays as clean as possible. And here we're just going to go ahead and pour our latte, and man, it was delicious. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name's Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.